right, connector it is, buddy. All right, this is Mule Ear clockwise from the top down. Section of trail. They've redone the other half, kind of neutered it. They just turned it into very mellow. Great to climb though. But it used to be kind of a chunky climb, which is kind of a fun chunky downhill. But now it's kind of just a really flowy down here with a lot of switchbacks. Glasses. It's hard to see. Or they're just dirty and the glares. Hopefully you guys don't got too much glare coming through. Every now and then those trees, you can see it coming through. This is up at North Fork. Doing a lot of work up here these days. Trail crews are busy out here in Eden. It's all cross country. Blues and greens. So maybe one day there's hope for a black or double black, but I don't know. I'm told the county's chicken won't let them do it, but I don't know the true story. I'm not involved enough. They have plenty of terrain to just shoot some downhill trails off some of these upper trails. Nice and evening. It's nice and shaded. A little warm though, climbing, because I'm up here camping for 2 days. Shoot some videos, do some ride, and have some fun. So I brought the trailer up today to get ready. This is where the new trail's going to come through, right there. But I brought the trailer up and had an HVAC appointment this morning at the house, which put me behind. Supposedly my compressor's cracked. I feel I need to probably get a second opinion, because my AC seems like it's working pretty good. There's just a couple rooms that never heated up, but they're never cooled off. Man, there's friggin' grasshoppers all over here. Almost got one in the mouth. Woo! Yeah. I wish I could have got up here earlier. Got some good rain 2 days ago. I bet you yesterday morning this thing would have been hero dirt. Pretty loose right now, but still blast. Yeah. Yeah. Love when they incorporate like roots and rocks that are naturally on the trail into fun little playable features. A lot of trails up here don't do that. They have a few things, but you know, as more people come, hopefully there's more pressure to put in some harder trails. Give this place a little bit more variety. Yeah.